confirm ogbonge correct people on a day. I don't come again with another entertainment news. If you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do well to go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Make you they know when ogbonge updates they sup. As they come, you'll just get the alert bangala message don't come. Make you always turn on that notification bell so that you go they know say message don't show. And also not forget to share and like our video, and also the comment. We gonna want to know what you think concerning our videos, and not they forget to comment, drop your opinion about the particular thing we don't talk about that day. On today entertainment news, we want to talk about this girl that they call Etiosa Mudia. This girl na Nollywood actress, a very popular one at that. For a recent interview where she talk many things concerning her previous marriage, because she said she married at the age of 22. She thought that the marriage, she know they happy at all for the marriage, because the husband when she married na abuser. Now so the husband go they beat her. Now so the husband go they they do anyhow with her. So because of that one, she can't go into drug taking. Say can't get one time she had to take drugs so that she will feel they sustain this man abuse. So even get one time where they got rush her to hospital because the man don't break her bone. Miss Martin, she talk or she just express herself. She just talk how it be. She just express her emotion. She later come out for the marriage. Make now what the highlights of this interview where she do with this man.
Sure, because of the same thing. Etinosa Idemudia, my guest, is one of them.
For the longest, I was scared of coming on this show. I said, I love the show, I appreciate his work, but I beg, leave wahala for people we get up. I don't even want.
And when my guests tell me that, I've come to understand, and so I give them time. I say, I'll keep checking in until you're ready to speak. That's fine. And so I was very surprised when my producer said to me, Etinosa has come in after over a year of trying to get her on the show. And when she got here, I mean, you watch this, you will understand why. So the blog said that one, you call the Bible a scam.
So unfortunately for me, that was a stunt, or should I say a skit for a song. So they're supposed to pick the video and then the posts, match it up and say, oh, she was listening to this song and she got touched, that it's her life story, what. Mumu blogger won't write another. It just, Sanupwa. If I was not stupid, I should have come out and, said, I should have been a portable. I would have just said, they don't rip me. I don't smoke, I don't do anything for Bible. I should have done that, but I was like, professional.
From the last time we had the conversation, this emotional, was the late Adame. From the beginning of the conversation, there were tears right to the end. You could see Etinosa struggling and wrestling with the big questions of her life.
It got to a point where I was on drugs. So I'll just, whenever he's around, whenever he's coming home, normally as a woman, you should be happy that your husband is coming home.
Yeah.
But I just stash up and dope up. Wow. So that no matter what he says, no matter what he's doing, I'm just like, just so that there will be peace.
You could see her alienation, loneliness, social attack, death, life, her dad, her ex-husband. Oh my God.
I was green. I don't know anything. I was a
You were 22 when you got married also.
Yeah. Somebody that told me that I'm not your friend, I'm your Lord. The uncle called me when I was in clinic now, already receiving treatment, because the night before, they tied me up. I went through a lot the night before. So I just said, this is the end. If I will die, I fasted. Also, nearly killed me for fasting, praying.
I thought I'd heard stories of domestic violence, but what Etinosa shared with me shocked me. I was shocked into silence. All I could do was listen.
So the CIA film where they go put person head inside bowl of water,
yes,
torture you because they want to hear the truth, whether you are cheating or not.
So it's physical violence.
Hey, Jesus is Lord. Waiting they break person bone. Waiting they carry person go, they put oxygen for your nose. Wow. As tall as you are now, he's very. I don't like short. Oh, that is my problem. You see me? I like big people. I want to feel protected. So that guy one blow like this, and I got blow. If he slaps it,
yeah,
sure.
You see, we see people from the public and we reach conclusions, and sometimes they are also partly responsible for the conclusions, the mistakes they make, the actions they take. Yeah, but often it gives us a distorted picture of who they are.
The time I raised the alarm, that first time, I wrote his full name, his service number, everything. The event happens to me, this person. So he came back after some years and he's like, said I should write something that all the things I said, they are not true, that he didn't do all those things to me. I was never taken to the ER, I was never placed on oxygen, or my bones were never broken. I should just write that it was because I was a bitter ex. So I don't know whether they put all those things where they talk and follow, I'll be waiting. Mumu me. He nearly catch me. I was not feeling very compassionate. Love come they worry me, they carry me go, we are not know. I say, he has apologized. Women.
I think that the Etinosa I met was completely unexpected from the Etinosa the public has seen.
Why must a woman suffer to be a virtuous woman in this society? Why must a woman suffer? They could say, pray for your husband, lay hand on his head while he's asleep. He not a lay hand for my head. No, me not get head. I don't have a life. I don't have my own dreams. I didn't have before. Anyway, mine was to go to work, start having children.
And I think that this episode will just warm your heart.
My people, open, I don't watch the interview, the highlight of the interview which she do with that man they call children. Now this one brief for our entertainment news. It good make with the open up sometimes so that people go know waiting you don't pass through, where they take out experience, they hold their ground in case they pass through that same thing. Anyway, I would like to know una opinion, una drop una comment for comment section. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make una stay safe, una do.